What's up guys? Welcome back to working on the SN95 project car. So we are back in the shop today. We are taking whatever we can off the car. I think we're gonna try to pull the core support and we'll see what else we can do. We had been working on repair of rust that we had to cut out of the quarter panel that you've seen previously, and we decided to try to get a parts car instead, and that fell through. So we're gonna put that on hold and then try find another parts car that we can use to do that quarter. But I'm gonna jump in and start working on it. Whoa! It fell on the floor. Yeah. Yeah, we can go to Walmart and see if Walmart has any. Yeah. Oh, that was for the fender. What might have.
There's two, but the thing broke off.
Oh. What?
Whenever you're done with that, we'll start taking the car and just take the stuff out of here. Take the intake off.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, just look at this. I just noticed it. I don't want to touch it. Come look.
Ew.
What the heck? So we'll keep this one. I don't know what you want to do with it.
Lay it next to the other one. Oh. Put it anywhere.
Alright, now we're going to drain the coolant so we can take the radiator and core support out. I should have worn a short sleeve shirt.
That should be good.
Yeah. There's that. I think the thing needs to be looser. Well, now I don't have anything to wear. I'm covered in coolant. I'm hanging.
Maybe it's just a little bit hard. Alien boogers.
And then push it in.
Really hard. Yeah, you'll feel it push in.
Mm-hmm.
And then try to pull the line out at the same time.
You know I'm not gonna be able to do that. No, I don't think it popped it out at all.
Try it. I think it did.
Maybe.
Yeah, it did. Maybe I'm wrong.
No, I can't get that.
Oh, this is. It won't move because it's bolted into this. 7, 8, maybe.
How'd I get that right first guess?
Still on this side of my knee.
We need the other one. So you can hold it the other way.
Well, it actually just messed the line up, so it doesn't matter now.
What do you mean?
It wasn't creased it, so it's gonna break off. Probably. Go back.
Oh god, there's one on the bottom too.
Is there?
Yeah.
And then dump it in there, because it's all gonna start. How chunk that thing is. Alright, what next?
Well, I thought I was gonna
Oh yeah, go ahead.
move the wiring
Yeah,
because
go.
it looks all crazy and it's giving me anxiety.
Yeah, go ahead.
Give me a
8.
7, 8. That amount of time.
No, I forgot about it.
What?
How about project?
Oh,
Yeah. Ew. Oh my god. Put that on the.
Ew.
Sound like rocks going through the intake, I guess.
Okay.
What's the color of SpongeBob? Just take one off.
So, here, can you pull this while I push this? Thanks.
One of the bolts good end bolt.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can see it. All right. So we just got home. Unfortunately, we ran into a little bit of rust on the strut tower. So I don't know what we're going to have to do to fix it. We are probably going to have to just cut that section out and weld in a new piece, like a patch panel or something, but we don't know for sure. We're going to, okay, so sidebar, we were going to just take the core support out and pull the radiator out and then move back to the inside to get some of the stuff left on the inside out, and we got a little sidetracked and started just pulling stuff out of the engine bay to get ready to pull the motor. So, which is a good thing though, because since we started doing that, we found the rust. So we're probably just going to go ahead and pull the motor all the way out and repair or do whatever we can for the rust and go from there. But it's pretty upsetting, but either way, I'm still really excited for it, and fingers crossed that we're able to find some sort of solution for the rest. So really, this is all my fault because I let the car sit for like 5 to 6 years when I shouldn't have. But yeah, so wish me luck. I'm definitely gonna need it. Yeah, but I'll see you guys next time.